Hello to my boys. How are you? I miss you guys. I really do miss you. Okay, it's getting a little crazy around here. A little cray cray. Okay, so you're gonna do something fun. I hope you find it fun. Rewind back to the Eucharist projects that we were working on a couple of weeks ago in class. Okay, most of you have completed those. If you have not completed your Eucharist project, this might be a good time. Okay, I'm going to have you upload those projects with you presenting using Screencast-o-matic just like I'm doing right now. Okay, and so I'm going to take you through the steps of how to get onto Screencast-o-matic and what you'll need to do once you actually finish your recording. Okay, so Screencast-o-matic is a free online webcam, if you will, and you will click when you get here to launch your free recorder. Okay, and when you launch your free recorder, in your toolbar, there's going to be a white circle with a red dot in the middle of it. Now, I'm already in my Screencast-o-matic account, so just look for that. We actually might be able to. Hold on, let's be super creative here. Screencast-o-matic, and we'll go to images. See if it shows us the image for it. It's not here, it's not here, it's not here. Okay, what you're looking for is a white circle with a red dot in it. Okay, that's what we're looking for. And so once you've launched that, it'll be down in your toolbar. You'll click on that. You simply push webcam, screen, or both. You're going to push both. That's what I'm doing right now. Okay, you're going to push both. And once you do that, you're going to go into your presentation. So it'd be great if you had that tab up already. I would suggest you leave it not in presentation mode, just like this, because if you put it in presentation mode, it kind of blocks out you from the visible screen. Now you can make your screen bigger with Screencast-o-matic simply by clicking on the right-hand corner of the checkered red and white box on the outside of Screencast-o-matic, but you don't need to make it that much bigger. Okay, it's not worth it to me. So if I was going to use my this is an old presentation I did when I taught Catholic spirituality, I would start with, okay guys, why would the author call the book Fire and Light? Give me some examples. What's fire and light? What does that have to do with God, etc., right? And I'm going through my presentation, okay? You guys will do the same. I want you to remember the rubric. The rubric is posted online. I will also post it in the online portal section too, so you don't have to keep going back and forth between screens. And make sure that you are engaged in your presentation, that you're talking to us, that we can hear you, all those wonderful things, okay? And then finally, you need to choose just one of your discussion questions. Remember, you had to come up with a certain number of discussion questions for your presentation and put those at the bottom of your slides. Utilize one of those, and at the end of your presentation, tell us which one you would like the boys to answer, okay? Because what's going to ultimately happen is they're all going to post to your presentation and answer to your discussion question. And that is how I will know they participated. So hopefully this will work out well. And I want everyone to participate. I want everyone to be honest and have honor and integrity, the self-discipline to do what is right, even when no one is looking, right? Do the right thing, boys. Okay, so very simple assignment. I'm going to take my Eucharist project that I've already completed for Mrs. Bone, hopefully, and I'm going to do a Screencast-o-matic presentation with my Eucharist project, excuse me, and I'm going to submit that. Now, here's the big clincher, okay? There will be a discussion post listed that will list starting tomorrow, and you will have until Monday at 11:59 p.m. to do this. Okay, so I'm giving you plenty of time. One of the reasons I'm giving you so much time is because I'm assuming there's going to be some upload issues to the portal. So I don't want you stressed out or freaking out if you can't get it in on time. So starting tomorrow, there'll be a discussion post. It will say Screencast-o-matic Eucharist project. Okay, and what you're going to do is you are literally going to upload your Screencast-o-matic to the portal. Now, the best way to save your Screencast-o-matic is to YouTube, okay? And the directions are very clear. The second you push stop in the bottom left-hand corner, it's going to ask you if you want to save it. You'll say yes. It's going to ask you if you want to publish. It's going to say where. You can certainly publish it to your computer. And if you want to get the link from your own computer and you don't want to go on YouTube to do that, that's fine. But you can also have a private channel on YouTube. You simply upload it there. and then it will, I don't know how long it'll take, maybe, it depends on how long your project is, and you'll be able to take that link, copy that link, and put it into the discussion post. It should be really easy. Okay, so the key here is to just take it one step at a time. I've got to open Screencast-o-matic. I've got to make sure I got my presentation open. I've got to make sure I've clicked the little white button with the red dot, and that I'm doing what's called both, which would be webcam and presentation. And then once I'm done, I click save, and then I publish it to YouTube. And then once it's published in YouTube, you can literally click share in YouTube, and it says copy link, and you copy that link to the discussion post, and you will have until next Monday to do this. If you guys have any questions, send me an email. Okay, miss you all, praying for you all, and hope you're well. Okay, bye-bye.